Hi everyone, thank you for watching again. So today I'm gonna talk about my favorite products. It's basically an updated version of an older video I did. A lot of the products I'm still using, some of the products not so much anymore. I'm gonna guide you through it from wash day until styling day for me and my girls. So basically going from A to Z. I hope you enjoyed the video. But before we start, I just published and released an amazing lookbook with all my favorite hairstyles. It's so cute to give to your curly head daughter or to your niece or whoever. It has a QR code that links you straight to the tutorial on YouTube. So please support if you haven't already. Versatility is available at Amazon and Barnes & Nobles. Thank you so much. So when it comes to shampooing my hair, I like to use Selsun. It's a European brand and it's specifically catered to people with dandruff. I use it every wash day. I shampoo my hair once with this and it cleans up my scalp and I don't have any dandruff issues for like 2 or 3 weeks. My girls don't have any scalp issues, so basically I use any shampoo that we have. Name the line. For me, I noticed that having the right shampoo if you don't have any scalp issues is not a big deal, because the shampoo has to clean your hair and clean your scalp, and that's the only job they have. So you can basically choose any shampoo you like if you don't have any scalp issues. The thing I hear most about shampoo is that they are too rough and that you need moisturizing shampoo and stuff like that. I don't believe in that. I believe in the job of shampoo is to clean everything, and then you need to deep condition after you shampoo so that you regain the moisture that you just lost. So invest in a good deep conditioner and you have no issues with a shampoo whatsoever. For detangling, I'm using a Dutch stapler product called Andrélon. This one gives our hair so much moisture, and we use it before we shampoo our hair because I use it as a detangler. It has so much slip and the knots just literally melt away. It's my favorite thus far, and I haven't found any other conditioner that gives as much slip as this one. From what I understood, Andrélon is a Dutch brand and it's very difficult to get it outside of the Netherlands, so it's very difficult to get it in the US, but this is my favorite and I swear by it. So when it comes to deep conditioning, I still like my Sheamoisture Black Jamaican Castor Oil. It is the truth and I really love them and I'm still using them. And I also like to use Mielle now. They call it a normal conditioner, but in the instructions it tells you to leave it in for longer than 15 minutes and use heat. So it's basically a deep conditioner and I use it like a deep conditioner, and it gives my hair so much moisture. And I like to alternate between Sheamoisture and Mielle so my hair doesn't get used to it, and I think it works best for us. So after wash day, it's time to moisturize your hair even more, and I always say use a leave-in conditioner. I use different kind of leave-in conditioners depending on the style I'm going for, depending on the smell. It just is basically whatever works for me at that point, but I use different ones. I love using the leave-in conditioner of Curls, the Blueberry Bliss collection, one of my favorite. I love using I Am, the Black Jamaican Castor Oil line, also really good at retaining moisture. I love the Caviar and Cashmere line of Curls, their leave-in conditioner. I also love the I Am Naturally leave-in condition. Basically love the whole collection. Another favorite of mine is the Main Choice Do It Fro the Culture line, and I really love that line. I was really amazed about the quality. And I love the Mielle leave-in conditioner. So what do all these leave-in conditioners have in common? They are very thick, they work on type 4 hair, and they really retain moisture. And they also give you great definition, so you don't really need to add another styling product to your hair if you don't want to. So when it comes to our wash and goes, there are 3 products I like to use, and the reason why I use them is they smell good. The definition of our coils and curls are amazing, and they give our hair a lot of shine. So I like to use the Just For Me curl piece line called the Slyme Styler. I like to use the Main Choice, the Do It For The Culture collection, the Buttery Bold Gel, and I like to use Mielle called the Cool Sculpting Custard from the Pomegranate and Honey line. When it comes down to doing twist outs or protective styling, I like to use a thicker styling product also to make sure that the moisture is retained and I have a lot of definition. I like to use the I Am Naturally line, the Cocoshea Whip, and I like to use the Curls Blueberry Bliss collection, the Twist and Shout Cream, and I like to use the Just For Me Curl Piece collection, Curl&Coil cream. Basically, why do I like to use them? When you do twist outs, then you have a lot of definition, they give you a lot of shine, they smell amazing, and they also help to keep in the moisture. I also use butters on our hair, and the reason I use butters is when I'm doing a style on stretched out hair, I don't want to use a product that has water in it because then it will make the hair revert back. But sometimes you still want some shine, you still want some slip, and then I revert back to butters. I like to use the brown butter melt of the Camille Rose collection, and I like to use the hair and scalp butter of Just For Me Curl Piece collection. When it comes down to hair mousse, I love using Mielle, the pomegranate and honey line. I've tried a lot of them, and this by far is my favorite. It gives me the definition, it gives you moisture, so I don't even have to use a leave-in conditioner before I use the mousse. It gives me the moisture if I only use the mousse, and it isn't sticky, and it gives me a lot of shine. So yes, I'm sold. This is definitely my favorite mousse so far. Oils. I love using oils on our hair. I normally only use oils on our hair when I do a blowout because I use it as a heat protectant. It gives the hair a lot of shine. It seals in the moisture that the hair already has. And I love the smell. I love the Andrélon oil and care. I use it as a heat protectant for our blowouts. I love the poppin' pineapple oil. I love the Blueberry Bliss collection. I also use the hair serum of the Curls Cashmere and Caviar collection. And the only oil I'll use on our scalp is the scalp treatment of the Blueberry Bliss line of curls. And last but not least, gels and stuff like that to lay down these edges and flyaways and to make sure that the hair stays put for hopefully a week, normally 2-3 days. I love using the Got To Be Glued waterproof styling gel. I like the Gorilla's Knot Punk version. I love Mielle. And I also love some basic hair wax from my local beauty supply store called Kruidvat. So that was it. Thank you so much for watching. I will put a list of all of the products I mentioned in the description box below. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments box below and I'll make sure to answer them ASAP.